y'all? It's your girl Andrea. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. So today in this video, I am going to be doing a hair treatment with the Aztec clay mask. I think that's what it's called. And I'm going to be using the deep conditioner from Miracle Wax. So we're gonna see how that's gonna go. My hair is extremely damaged. Y'all can't really see, or maybe you can tell, but I did damage my hair a few weeks ago trying a texturizer, and I learned my lesson. Definitely did. Don't come for me. I would never do that again. I just wanted to make my curls more loose, and yeah, and then my hair to be damaged. So now I'm going to be trying to repair my hair back, and we're going to see how this works. Y'all, fingers crossed.
I decided to do a voiceover. I think it's better this way so that I can easily break down what I need to say. As you can see, I am rinsing my hair before applying any product. This is something I do for every hair treatment. Now that I've rinsed my hair, you all can see the damage. The products I'm using is Aztec clay mask mixed with apple cider vinegar. Then I will be following up with the strengthening deep conditioner from my brand. First thing you want to do is mix the Aztec clay mask and apple cider vinegar together. Put however much you feel your hair needs. It should be a thick texture, but not too thick. I heard the clay mask can bring your curls back to life. Right now, my hair needs all the help it can get. I am putting my hair into 6 sections. I know my parts are highly uneven, but that's okay, because I'm no professional. I always suck at parting, by the way. You would think I would master this by now. I mean, I've been a natural for what, more than 5 years already? Like, come on. It's been 2 months since I damaged my hair. I have been trying to keep my hair in protective styles so that the texturizer can grow out, instead of me having to do a big chop all over again, because I do not want to go through that process again, y'all. It was not cute, and I was running out of patience. And I'm not going to lie, I have been thinking about clipping my ends a little more to sort of speed up the process. So let me know in the comments if y'all have any tips on how to get my hair back to its natural state without having to do a big chop, or let me know any products you think would work to bring my curls back to life. I would love to do reviews on them. Did y'all peep me wanting to be a little extra with the hair clips by like color matching on each side? I feel like it's cute though. I just did it for the video, you know, aesthetics. Anyways, back to what we really need to focus on. So when you're applying the clay mask on your hair, make sure that you're getting every single strand. I mean, every single strand. You don't want to miss no parts, which is why I'm detangling each section before applying the clay mask. I know this process is a little time consuming, but honestly, guys, you get better results when you do things with patience. Not me becoming a motivational speaker on here. Like, I'm sorry, y'all. I can get a little bit off topic. But anyways, back to what I really need to talk about. This is my first time using this clay mask, so please bear with me. I am trying not to screw this up. I really want to get the best results out of this. The only thing I disliked about this mask is the smell. It smells very weird, and I just can't even explain it. But y'all know the things that don't smell too good or don't look too good will give you the best results. It's always been that way. I'm going to be honest with y'all. This took me about 30 something minutes to do. But I'm not complaining because I know that I wanted to see the best results out of this and not be upset that I waste my money. So I am taking my time. And I also just want to show you guys exactly how I used it for me because I love y'all. I do plan on using this clay mask at least 2 to 3 times out of the month. I might have protective styles in, so it might not even be that much, but I do plan on using it consistently because I really want my hair to get back to where it was before. Just not as tight with the curls, but I need my curls to be a little tighter than what it is now. And I feel like this product can really help. And I've already seen that it helped a lot of other people. Everyone's hair is different. So you still have to see what works best for your hair. So even if you try this product, you might not get the same results as me, or you might get better results than me. So don't be upset if your results doesn't come out as what you expected it to, because maybe it just doesn't work for your hair, and that's okay. Just try to find out different products that may work best for your hair texture. Now that I'm done, I am going to set my timer for 30 minutes, and be sure to stay around so that you can see the results.
A few moments later.
I am back like I never left. Make sure y'all thoroughly get this clay mask out y'all hair. Like, don't even rush it. I had to take my time, and I had to do this twice just to make sure that the mask was fully out of my hair. I'm just going to finish rinsing my hair, but do y'all see that growth? It's giving length, like it's real lengthy out here, okay? I know y'all see those curls coming in. I know y'all see it. I am so happy and highly satisfied with my results from this clay mask. Y'all need to try this if you have damaged, dry, or brittle hair. Last but certainly not the least is the Black Castor Oil and Mango Strengthening Deep Conditioner from my hair care brand, and it smells so good, y'all. Okay, the mangoes, it's not overpowering. I know y'all probably thinking, okay, that's probably too much, but I didn't even use that much fragrance, so you'll be fine. I recommend this deep conditioner for type 3 and type 4 hair. So if you have those textures, you can definitely use this product and see the best results out of it either way. I know y'all can tell that I am running out of patience. I did not section my hair. Normally I do with this deep conditioner, but I just feel like the clay mask took so much of my time. So bump that. I am not trying to brag, but I know that my products work. So I know that I'm going to get the best results out of this deep conditioner either way. So that's why I'm not really going too hard on this. Like, if you know, you know. Be sure that you're detangling when you're using this deep conditioner for best results. I am going to be leaving this in for 30 minutes, and I'm doing that because my hair is extremely damaged. Normally, I'll leave it in for 15 minutes, but I'll be back, you guys.
Many unbearable moments later.
I am back. Just sit back and watch me rinse out this deep conditioner. You guys will see the results after. Here is the results, y'all. I love that the deep conditioner makes my hair look so shiny, moisturized, and just so beautiful. Like, it's super soft. You could literally run your hands through my hair. The link for this product will be in my description. That is all that I have for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.